Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl Goa, brought to you by Rotary Club of Panji Midtown.
Well, 4 more rounds to go, so the teams who are yet to open their account, don't worry at all. There's still a lot of scope to surge ahead in this quiz. Of course, Team 3 retains their lead after 2 rounds. But as I said, anything can change over the next few rounds. With that, we come to round 3. Round 3 again will begin from Team 1 and go in the order as round 1. The same 10 points for a direct answer, 5 points for a pass. With that, let us begin round 3. So in round 3, you're going to see a series of pictures. I'll tell you what the series of pictures is. You'll have to tell me what completes the series. So each of them will have a missing picture. You'll have to tell me what comes in the missing picture. Okay? So let us begin round 3 with the first question to Team 1. These are all monuments which appear somewhere we all use regularly. What comes next? These are all monuments which appear somewhere we all use regularly. What comes next? What monument would come next in this series? Team 1 passes to Team 2. Team 2, I need an answer. I'm sorry, I'll have to pass you. Can't give you so much time. Team 3.
Is it the Red Fort?
The Red Fort is the right answer. And can you tell us what the series is? 5 points to Team 3. These are monuments shown on Indian currency notes. So you see the wheel of the Konark temple, the Sun temple, the Ellora caves, that's Hampi, Rani Ki Vav, that's the Sanchi Stupa, and then there's the Red Fort. The Red Fort comes on the 500 rupee note. Move to the next question. Okay, the next question goes to Team 2. These are all cricketers who have scored many hundreds for India. Who comes next? It's not KL Rahul, I'm sorry. Question passes to Team 3. Team 3, I need an answer. I'm sorry?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
It's not Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Question passes to Team 4.
Is it Vinod Kambli?
It's not Vinod Kambli.
Sunil Gavaskar.
Team 5. I'm sorry?
Sunil Gavaskar.
Team 5, jump in the gun there. Sunil Gavaskar is the right answer. 5 points to Team 5. So these are the maximum international hundreds in men's international cricket. Sachin, of course, has 100 hundreds. There's Virat Kohli with 71, and then there's Rahul Dravid, Rohit Sharma, Virender Sehwag, Saurav Ganguly. Next in the list is Sunil Gavaskar with 35 hundreds. The next question in this round will go to Team 3. These are the 7 wonders of the modern world. What wonder is missing? Time starts now. Ten more seconds.
Christ the Redeemer.
Christ the Redeemer is the right answer. 10 points to Team 3. So this is the statue of Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro. Well worked out. The next question of this round will go to Team 4. Team 4, here's your question. These are novels by Indians which won a Booker Prize. What completes the series, or what novel will come next? Just the name of the novel is good enough.
Tomb of Sand.
Tomb of Sand is the right answer. 10 points to Team 4. So this is Tomb of Sand, which won the International Booker this year. The original novel, of course, is in Hindi. The translation won the Booker Prize. The next question of this round is to Team 5. These are state capitals in increasing order of latitude. What comes next?
Sir, Mumbai.
Mumbai is the right answer. 10 points to Team 5. Well worked out. The last question of this round coming up to Team 6. These are Horcruxes in the Harry Potter book series. What comes next?
So could you repeat the question?
These are Horcruxes in the Harry Potter book series. What comes next?
Is it a snake?
I'll give that to you. It is the snake. It's a good enough answer. Team 6 gets 10 points. It's 10 points to Team 6. It is Nagini the snake. Snake was good enough. All right, so while we wait for the scores, let's take a quick look at the audience questions. All right, what completes this series? These are planets in the solar system in decreasing order of size. What comes next? Just feel free to shout out the answer.
Sir, Pluto. No, sorry, sir, Earth.
Earth. I heard many of you say Earth. Earth it is. So, of course, there's Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Earth comes next, although it's much, much smaller than Neptune. All right, we'll move to the next and the last audience question of this round. These are princely states of the British Raj in decreasing order of size. Which state comes next? Or which former state comes next?
Is it West Bengal? West Bengal?
Not West Bengal. Not Travancore.
Sir, Madras.
Not Madras.
Mumbai.
Not Mumbai, wasn't a princely state. Not Baroda. Baroda is actually one of the much smaller states which still got a 21-gun salute.
Junagadh.
Not Junagadh.
Kashmir.
I'm sorry?
Kashmir.
Kashmir is already there. Patadi is very small, actually. Any other guesses? I'll give a clue. Not Jhansi, but geographically you are very close to Jhansi.
So Delhi.
Not Delhi. Not Bhopal, not Udaipur. Not Awadh. I heard someone shout out Gwalior. It is Gwalior, which comes next in size. So that, of course, brings us to the end of the audience questions as well for round 3.
The scoreboard after round 3. Team 1 is at 20 points. Team 2 is still to open the score. Team 3 is at 40 points. Team 4 is at 10 points. Team 5 is at 35. And Team 6 is at 10.
Big hand to all the teams, please. So, Team 3 still holding its lead after 3 rounds. Very close to them is Team 5. Of course, we still have 3 rounds to go, which includes the buzzer and the rapid fire rounds, which could change the scores completely. But before we get there, let's take a look at round 4. So in round 4, we are again going to go reverse. We'll start with team 6 and move on to team 5 and so on. In round 6, you'll see a picture and I'll ask you a question about the picture. So the first question of this round is to team 6. Which person is hidden here? This person described himself as a rose between two thorns when he was posing with Lord and Lady Mountbatten.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the right answer. 10 points to team 6. That is indeed Muhammad Ali Jinnah. His original plan was for Lady Mountbatten to be in between in the photo, and he had rehearsed this line of rose between two thorns. However, the photographer decided to put him in between, but he still managed to say the line, and the line became very famous. Move to the next question of this round, which comes to team 5. Identify this philosopher shown in the painting where he is speaking just before his death.
Sir, Plato.
It's not Plato. I'll have to pass you. Question passes to team 4.
Socrates.
Socrates is the right answer. 5 points to team 4. So this is Socrates, and the Council of Athens actually made him drink poisoned hemlock. So that is Socrates talking just before he was made to have poison and end his own life. The next question goes to team 4. Identify this actor in the movie 83 and who is he portraying? Team 4, I need an answer. Team 4 passes. Question passes to team 3. Team 3, I need an answer. Team 3 passes. Passes to team 2. That's not Sandeep Sharma. I'll have to pass you, I'm sorry. Question passes to team 1. Team 1, need an answer.
Muhammad Azharuddin.
That's not Muhammad Azharuddin. Question passes to team 6. Team 6, I need an answer. I'll have to pass you there. Question passes to team 5.
Is it okay if we tell who is portraying?
I need both parts. I need an answer, I'm sorry.
Sir, I only know who is portraying Sir Sunil Gavaskar.
That's not Sunil Gavaskar. I'm sorry. So no team gets that. It was the direct to team 4. So that is Chirag Patil, who is portraying his father, Sandeep Patil. So it wasn't Sandeep Sharma, but it's Sandeep Patil, who was portrayed by his son Chirag Patil. Of course, the movie had a lot of sons portraying their fathers. Mohinder Amarnath played Lala Amarnath, and so on. The next question in this round will now go to team 3. This is the international airport of Varanasi, which is named after a former Indian Prime Minister. Who is it named after? 10 more seconds. Team 3, I need an answer. Not Jawaharlal Nehru. I'll have to pass you there. Question passes to team 2. Not Indira Gandhi. Question passes to team 1. Team 1, I need an answer.
Is it Rahul Gandhi?
Not Rahul Gandhi. He's not Prime Minister of the country yet. Question passes to team 6.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Not Rajiv Gandhi. Passes to team 5.
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Lal Bahadur Shastri is the right answer. Team 5 gets 5 points. So the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is in Hyderabad. Of course, there's no Rahul Gandhi International Airport yet. It happens. Yeah, so this is the Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport in Varanasi. The next question of this round coming up to team 2. Identify this monument which was built by an emperor as a tribute to his wife. Look closely and identify this monument which was built by an emperor as a tribute to his wife.
Taj Mahal.
It's not the Taj Mahal. Question passes to team 1. Team 1, I need an answer. I'll have to pass you.
Victoria, ma'am.
No, that's not the right answer. Passes to team 6.
Bibi ka Maqbara by Aurangzeb.
This is Bibi Ka Maqbara by Aurangzeb. It's in Aurangabad. So team 6 gets 5 points. So this is the Bibi Ka Maqbara. Aurangzeb, of course, took a cue from his father, Shah Jahan, who had built the Taj Mahal for Aurangzeb's mother, Mumtaz Mahal. But Aurangzeb did not want to spend as much money as Shah Jahan did. So he ended up building the Bibi Ka Maqbara. It's not made of marble, as high quality marble as the original Taj Mahal, which is why it looks similar, but quite different nonetheless. The last question of this round now comes up to team 1. Here it is. Where would you find this statue of the poet and philosopher Thiruvalluvar? Not the state, I want the location. I want the city or the town or the village, whatever it is.
Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari is the right answer. 10 points to team 1. So with that, we come to the end of round 4. Let's take a quick look at a couple of audience questions. What movie did A.R. Rahman win these 2 awards for?
Slumdog Millionaire.
Slumdog Millionaire. Very quick answer there. Okay, the next question. Who is standing here with Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi?
Sir, Leonid Brezhnev. No.
That is not Leonid Brezhnev,
Sir, Nikita Khrushchev.
not Nikita Khrushchev, not Marshal
Mikhail
Tito.
Gorbachev.
I'm sorry?
Mikhail Gorbachev.
Not Gorbachev. Gorbachev came much later. Audience? He doesn't, the image you typically have of this person is very different to how he looks over here. Charlie Chaplin is the right answer. That is Charlie Chaplin, who, while on screen he looked like that, but in real life, of course, he looked very different. That was indeed Charlie Chaplin. So we finished 4 rounds, and let's wait for the scores at the end of round 4.
The scoreboard after round 4. Team 1 is at 30 points. Team 2 is yet to open the score. Team 3 is at 40 points. Team 4 is at 15 points. Team 5 is at 40 points. And Team 6 is at 25 points.
in the lead now at 40 points. And of course, the other teams knocking on their heels. So anything can happen in the next 2 rounds. The 5th round is a buzzer round. On each question, let me explain the rules for the buzzer round. There are 10 questions open to all teams. There's no direct and pass here. Each question is open to all. Whichever team presses the buzzer first will get to answer that question. Wait for me to announce your name before you answer the question, because I'll have to check who pressed the buzzer first. So don't just shout out the answer after pressing the buzzer. If you press the buzzer before I finish the question, you'll have to give me an answer right then. I won't wait and complete the question for you. Now, if you get it right, you get 10 points. But if you get it wrong, you will lose 5 points. So press your buzzer with care. Plus 10 for a right answer, minus 5 for a wrong answer. Questions will not pass. So each question will only be asked to the team that buzzes first. If you don't get it right, the question will go to the audience. So the first question of this round, we have 10 questions in this round. So a maximum of 100 points up for grabs. First question of this round to all teams is, who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal, doing so in the year 2000 at the Sydney Games? Team 1 has buzzed first.
Karna Maleshwari.
Karnam Maleshwari is the right answer. 10 points to Team 1. The second question of the buzzer round. Which Indian state capital lies on the banks of the Gomti River? Team 5 buzzes first.
Sir, Uttar Pradesh.
Which capital?
Sir, Lucknow.
Lucknow is the right answer. 10 points to Team 5. So 2 right answers in 2 on the buzzers so far. Third question in the buzzer round. The English author A.A. Milne wrote books about which teddy bear? Team 1.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh is the right answer. 10 points to Team 1. Fourth question of the buzzer round. Which painting stolen in 1911 and recovered in 1914? Team 1.
Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa is the right answer. 10 points to Team 1. I will read out the whole question for everyone's benefit. Which painting stolen in 1911 and recovered in 1914 hangs in the Louvre Museum and was painted by Leonardo da Vinci? Team 1, of course, got it right and got 10 points. Fifth question of this round. Which Indian actor is known for acting in movies which feature the word Khiladi in their titles? Team 1 buzzes first.
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar is the right answer. Another 10 points to Team 1. Team 1 is on a roll here. Other teams will have to buzz a little faster. Sixth question of this round. A winner of the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1945, what discovery, which saved countless lives in World War II, did Alexander Fleming make in 1928? Team 1.
Penicillin.
Penicillin is the right answer. Another 10 points to Team 1. Question 7. Who was born on the 14th of November 1948 to Princess Elizabeth, the Duchess of Edinburgh, and Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh? Team 1.
Charles III.
Charles III is the right answer. Another 10 points to Team 1. Eighth question of this round coming up. If Ladakh is the northernmost Indian Union territory, which is the southernmost? Team 5.
Sir, Lakshadweep.
It's not Lakshadweep. Minus 5 to Team 5. The southernmost Indian Union territory is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which are actually very close to the equator. So Team 5 gets minus 5 there. I'll move to the next question. for her work for bringing help to suffering humanity. Which Indian won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979? Team 1.
Saint Teresa.
Saint Teresa is the right answer. Mother Teresa, Saint Teresa, 10 points to Team 1. Last question of this round. If I cross the Mandovi Bridge from Panji, which taluka of Goa would I reach? Okay. Team 6.
So Bardez.
Bardez is the right answer. 10 points to Team 6. That was a whirlwind buzzer round with Team 1 looks like they are taking a bit of a lead there. We'll see what the scores tell us.
Scoreboard after round 5. Team 1 with 100 points. Team 2 with yet to open the score. Team 3 is with 40 points. Team 4 is with 15 points. Team 5 is at 45. And Team 6 is at 35.
That's a huge, huge